Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a bi pride flag inspired look, and I'm doing this look because several people in my life have decided to be their most authentic selves and come out, and I am beyond proud of them, even if I haven't spoken to them in years. Like, I've grown up with some of these people, and I'm so proud that they feel comfortable and validated enough to come out. And I know there are a lot of people who do not feel supported or accepted, or feel like they can never come out, or they can only come out to certain people in their lives, and that does crush my soul a little bit. So I wanted to do this look letting those who have come out, that I am friends with and family with, and whatever, that I am proud of you and I love you, and I'm so happy that you are able to live your life truly and authentically. And to those in my life who haven't come out yet, know that I support you already, even if I don't know. And for those who are only selectively out, I hope one day you can feel accepted enough to come completely out to everybody in your life. But basically this video is just to spread some positivity, because I've seen a lot of biphobic comments on Twitter lately, and it really just grinds my gears, and we'll talk about more as the video goes on. But yeah, all of that being said, I want to make the statement that this is a safe space for everybody, no matter your sexual orientation, your gender identity, or whatever else you may feel is different about you. And I am leaving some resources down below, some links to stuff for the Trevor Project, for suicide prevention and help hotlines, for those of you who may be struggling and need help that I cannot provide you. I am not a professional, a mental health professional, but all I can do is offer my support and my love, and let you know that I love you all, and I hope that you can get through the tough times and one day live 100% you. So that all being said, let's get started with this look. First color I'm going to use is Fantasy from ColourPop. It is a fuchsia color, and I'm taking this on, it's actually like a pencil brush, but I think it's gonna be the most effective shape for what I'm trying to do, since I'm doing like these triangles. So I wanted to do this look because a lot of people in my life have been coming out as their true selves, have been expressing that they identify as bisexual, and with that they end up getting a ton of biphobic comments, because they have either dated people of the opposite sex, or people just think that being bisexual is invalid. So I wanted to use my small platform, but it is a platform nonetheless, to do this look, to show my friends, my family, my whoever that is in my life, that if you are bisexual, I see you, I hear you, I think that you are 120 million% valid in how you identify, and that is your prerogative to love whoever you want unapologetically. And I hope that the world is able to open its heart and its mind to accept you. And really, I want to be a better ally, and I feel like makeup is my way of expressing how I'm feeling or things I care about. So I think that this is the best way that I can express it and show my support, other than obviously just, providing a safe space for my friends and family, and subscribers and followers who do identify as bisexual. So now I'm going to take this purple Tokidoki color. This is Killer Candy, and this is purple, and we're going to do another kind of triangle shape. So we're going to bring it in and out. really isn't as pointy as I want it to be, but we'll kind of mess with it with the blue when I put that on the outside. I was packing this color on. So yeah, I just wanted to make it really super clear, like I did cut it in the disclaimer, that this isn't for clout. This isn't like me trying to be performative with activism. It just makes me extremely sad that when someone feels comfortable enough to share who they are, the first thing they are met with is questions that basically are meant to invalidate them or make them rethink their choice in the first place. And I think that no matter how you identify, you should not have to validate to anybody why you feel the way you do, or, you know, prove how bi you are, or how gay you are, or how... Okay, and now to finish the flag colors, I'm going to take Electroshock from NYX. If you want me to do other flags, like, and talk about more issues regarding your sexuality, I would love to do that. I want to definitely be more active on my platforms with my activism and my allyship of the LGBTQIA+ community, because honestly, I identify as straight and I have never felt more accepted and more just allowed to be myself than when I'm around people of the what are they calling themselves on TikTok? The Alphabet Mafia. And that probably sounds weird, but I really have been bullied all my life, and the only time I have felt comfortable wearing my crazy makeup in public, or wigs or costumes or whatever, is when I know I'm going to be around my friends who are either allies or are part of the LGBTQIA community, or at DragCon. Like, all of those places I have felt more accepted than I ever have than being with like a bunch of other straight people. And what's crazy to me is that community can be so accepting of others, but they are so discriminated against. I threw on my liner and lashes as I normally do off camera, just adjusting these lashes here because the band is pretty flimsy compared to some other ones. They're kind of costumey lashes because they do have a bit of glitter on them. But down below for you guys, I am going to leave some resources for everyone in the LGBTQ community. I know it's not easy being a part of a community that people refuse to understand and accept, and that can have a real toll on mental health and even physical health. But I'm gonna put it down below so you guys have resources of someone to talk to, professionals that you can reach out to help you, you know, feel better, talk about your issues, no matter how big or small. They're all very, very much valid. So I just wanted to put that out there, because I think there are far too many deaths related to kids who come out and being unaccepted by either their family or their friends or their community as a whole. And I just think that it's truly sad. I've been lucky to not have any friends be put in that situation, but I do have several friends who feel they cannot come out and be public with who they are because of their family and the community that unfortunately I live in. Take a little bit of blue under eye pencil here, put it on my waterline. Basically trying to have 2 doses of each color, so blue and blue, purple. I have my purple wig, and then pink, and then my dress. is also the kind of fuchsia color. Throw on a little bit of blush. Some highlighter on as well. I'm gonna go really light because this highlight is intensely white. And I think I'm just gonna keep it on the cheeks so that's not overpowering this. But if anybody down below in the comments wants to post more resources, or if you're comfortable sharing your story about coming out as bisexual or coming out in any fashion with any identity or sexual orientation, down below, and let other people know that you are also a safe space, your channel, your Instagram, your whatever, so that they know that they are seen and loved and accepted. So I've lined my lips with my MAC pencil in Heroin. Now I am going to use caked makeup. I guess they are half caked makeup now. And this is the color Legit. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if nothing else, you learn that this is a safe space for everybody, because that's really what I'm trying to project here. I want you all to know that you are loved and cherished and cared for by me and my husband and my animals, and you know, we are a safe home for any of our friends, family, followers, whatever, who want to come out or have come out and don't feel accepted, and we love you. So if you need someone to talk to, I'm here. And also if you need a more professional help, the links will be down below for you guys to utilize those resources or share them with friends who you think may need them. So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.